Hi everyone, welcome back. We are meeting again on A-level videos today. I'm going to explain you for the A-level students who are preparing for the exams shortly. It's going to come. How to answer the Accounting 1 MCQ questions. What are the things that you have to look for? So I'm taking some examples and going to work with you. So we will see the screen. I will be sharing the screen. Now we have shared the screen. So I'm going to take one sum and explain to you how we are going to do these questions and what are the key factors that you have to look into when you are answering these questions. I have picked up from Accounting 1, 2021, that is held in 2022, one question, question number 38. This is from partnership. Manjula and Sanjula carried out partnership, sharing profits and losses equally. Note this point. Equally is important. Anjula was admitted as a partner on 1st April 2020. Then what will happen? There will be a goodwill. She brought cash for both capital and share of goodwill on this date. The goodwill of the business was estimated as 1 million. The goodwill of the business is adjusted through the partner's capital account. This is how it's usually done. The profit and loss sharing ratio among Manjula, Sanjula and Anjula was agreed as at 5:3:2 respectively. Note this. So what you have to note in this is the old profit sharing ratio and the new profit sharing ratio. Because the goodwill adjustment, what we do is we credit the goodwill to the old partners or at the old profit sharing ratio and debit the goodwill for the new partners at the new profit sharing ratio. This adjustment they have already done. They have done and they have given you the following information. Additional information is given below. Capital balances asset 1,420 after the goodwill adjustment. So they had debited and credited the goodwill, rather credited and debited the goodwill, and this is the balance carry forward or brought forward. Then they have given you the year-end share of profits and partner's salary as well. And what they are asking is, what is the cash brought by Anjula for capital and goodwill? It's very simple question. And what is the profit? The question is very simple. Only thing you have to remember the facts. You have to be very thorough with the facts. So we will see here capital accounts. The brought forward amounts 5,000, 3,200 and 1,800 in 1,000. I have brought it as a carry forward amount. So why? The carry forward is the brought forward here. It will be the brought forward here. 5,000, 3,200 and 1,800 will be your brought forward. Okay. But how we have, now what we have to do? We have to see how much Anjula has brought in as cash. For that purpose only, I have brought in as a carry forward balance. So, okay, now we will do the goodwill adjustment. We had debited equally because their profit sharing ratio is 1:1, 500 and 500. And debited in 5:3:2, 500, 200, 500, 300 and 200. So what will happen? The balancing figure, now 1,800, 200, we are totaling this up. And we are going to balance this account. When you are balancing, 500 is goodwill. So the brought forward capital before adjustment of Manjula and Sanjula are 5,000 and 3,000. And this 2,000 is cash brought by Anjula. Why? 200 goodwill adjustment and balance carry forward 1,800. So altogether she must have brought in 2,000. That means 2 million as cash. That's how you find it. That's the technique that you have to use it. Then the second question, they are asking, what is the profit? Profit means it is equivalent to the appropriation and share of profits. That you should remember. That is the fact that they are trying to ask you. So it's very simple that you have to add all these things. We had to see 4,200. That is 4,200,000. So if you see an appropriation account, it will appear like this. Profit will be 4,200,000. Then salaries appropriation, Manjula, Sanjula and Anjula. Profit share 1,600 and 400. Then it will be nil. So this is how it appears. So simply to answer the question, if you total all these profit share and salaries, all these figures, 1,800, 1,400 and 1,000, your profit figure will come. It's very simple and it's a very simple example. So I will meet you in another example shortly in another video. This video should be useful for you. If it is useful, please like the video and subscribe for it. Then we will stop sharing and good luck until then. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. So I will be discussing these kind of questions in small videos. I think it will be useful for you to learn the techniques of answering the accounting 1 question. Bye-bye.